Welcome all. Now I am going to discuss question number 54 from the GATE 2017 paper Set 1 Electrical Engineering. The question is the positive, negative and zero sequence reactance of a star connected synchronous generator are 0.2 per unit, 0.2 per unit and 0.1 per unit respectively. The generator is on open circuit with a terminal voltage of 1 per unit. The minimum value of the inductive reactance in per unit required to be connected between neutral and ground so that the fault current does not exceed 3.75 per unit if a single line to ground fault occur at the terminals is. To know the detailed modeling of the LG fault, audience can go through the given NPTEL video lecture. Let us discuss briefly about LG fault. Here Vf is the fault voltage, ZKK11 is the positive sequence impedance, ZKK2 is the negative sequence impedance, ZKK0 is the zero sequence impedance, and also IFA1, IFA2, IFA0 are the positive, negative and zero sequence fault currents respectively. Here ZF is the fault impedance that is connected between the neutral and the ground, and the zero sequence fault current is given by the terminal voltage divided by positive, negative and zero sequence reactances plus summation of the 3 times of the fault impedance that is connected between neutral and ground, and the fault current is the 3 times of either positive sequence fault current or negative sequence fault current or zero sequence fault current. With the help of this information, let us solve the problem. Given it is positive sequence impedances are Z1 is 0.2, Z2 is also 0.2 and zero sequence impedance is 0.1 respectively, and also it is given that the fault current should not exceed 3.75 per unit, and also it is given that voltage at the fault location is 1 per unit. From the LG fault analysis, we can say that the fault current is given by 3 times of the fault voltage divided by positive sequence impedance plus negative sequence impedance plus zero sequence impedance plus 3 times of the impedance that is connected between neutral and ground. In the question it is given that IF is 3.75 per unit is equal to 3 into fault voltage is 1, Z1 is 0.2, Z2 is 0.2 plus Z0 is 0.1. We need to find out the impedance that is connected between neutral and ground. If we solve this equation, we get the Zn as 0.1 per unit. So, the minimum value of the inductive reactance that is to be connected between neutral and the ground is 0.1 per unit. Thank you.